Don't vote for political stress. Elect relaxation instead. Know any political junkies? Been accused of being one? Get hooked on those news channels and walk away all stressed and concerned about the future of our country and the world? I've been there. I know what political stress is, and I've learned to quit voting for it. Let me tell you more about the dangers of political stress and how to cancel your vote for it before it elects you. The American Psychological Association, APA, has conducted a series of polls and released a report entitled 2024 Stress in America. In reference to political stress, it reports that 76% of Americans find political issues a major source of stress. Over 30% say they limit time with family because of political differences and problems which arise when they're together. I suspect these percentages may even grow higher, even though we're done with the 2024 election cycle. Do these figures represent the reality of political divisions and stress for you and your family? It seems to match mine pretty well. Fortunately, there are some things we can do about it. Thanks to the APA report, recommendations, and other resources, including personal experience and opinion, I've some suggestions to help you and myself. 1. Limit exposure to news. If you're going to watch or listen to the news, keep it short. Find the most calm and boring format you can find for the news, without a lot of opinion and discussion. This is what ups the anxiety and stress level. Set your timer if you need to and follow it. Maybe only 10 or 20 minutes at a time. Definitely not hours. 2. Avoid bedtime news. If you're going to watch some news reports, do it early in the day or evening, not just before bedtime. You might be tempted to watch too long, and if not careful, you'll be too keyed up to sleep. That blue light from electronics is bad enough with more help from news program intensity. 3. Choose discussions carefully. I've got a brother-in-law that is easy to talk to. We have widely different political views, but we can discuss them openly and calmly. We avoid emotionally loaded terms and blame games and stick to issues and facts as much as possible. We avoid those hot button areas we know will trigger reactions in one another. I have other friends or relatives I would never discuss politics with because the temperature would get too hot too fast and soon come to a boiling point. Pick your partners and topics for discussions very carefully. 4. Rules for family gatherings. Let it be known at the outset that political discussions will not be held at the dinner table or any place else in the house. If someone wants to talk politics, let them know you'll join them away from the group, but you want to keep the conversation short and sweet, not argumentative. The most loving thing you can do may be to turn down the offer of a political chat, knowing the potential risks. No thanks may be the best option. 5. When you get hooked, If you get trapped with a TV program or in a heated discussion and notice your anxiety level has jumped to the moon, you need to get down back to earth as soon as possible. Practice deep breathing, mindfulness, or meditation until your emotions and thoughts are settled. Holding on to the stress will cause further problems in relationships and general health. Don't let it happen. Let go and move on. 6. Channel your energies with wisdom. Accept the fact that your main civic responsibility is to cast your vote in elections. Of course, you may also choose to volunteer in support of a cause or actively protest. You can even choose to run for an office, but it's important to recognize that whatever you do as one person will likely have a limited impact. You won't change major events and control outcomes. Accept that reality and find satisfaction in being an active and informed citizen. But know and accept boundaries for your participation. Your health and longevity may depend on it. Remind yourself of your priorities and keep working toward a stress-reduced, positive ager lifestyle, the PAL, most of the time. For me, I'm currently taking an extended post-election political vacation, and I'm going to replace it with learning how to read music and play my recorder and harmonica. Get ready for some relaxing performance videos starting with hot cross buns and merrily we roll along. See my brain bag video for how I chose these instruments. Humpty here, wishing you a peaceful and joyful day.